The Sony ICD-PX470 is a portable digital voice recorder designed to capture clear and high-quality audio in various situations, such as meetings, lectures, interviews, or personal recordings. Here's a breakdown of its features. Key features. 1. Recording formats. Records in MP3 format, up to 192 kbps, which allows for clear, high-quality audio with manageable file sizes. 2. Storage. Comes with 4 GB of internal memory, which can store up to 1,000 hours of recordings in the lower quality settings. Additionally, it has an expandable microSD card slot, allowing you to further increase storage capacity, up to 32 GB. 3. Microphone. Built-in stereo microphone for capturing audio in a broad range, suitable for clear sound capture. Intelligent noise cut feature, which helps reduce background noise for clearer voice recording. 4. Display. Equipped with a backlit LCD display to easily view recording details and settings. 5. Battery life. Long battery life, typically up to 55 hours of continuous recording with the provided AAA battery, depending on usage. 6. Voice activation. Features voice-activated recording, VLR, which automatically starts and stops recording when it detects sound, saving battery life and memory space. 7. USB direct connection. A built-in USB arm allows easy connection to a computer for file transfer and charging, if applicable. No cable is required, making it convenient to share recordings. 8. Folder organization. You can create multiple folders to organize recordings by topic or category, making it easier to navigate through files. 9. Quick charge. The device allows for quick charging when connected to a USB port. 10. Playback features. Offers playback controls like adjustable speed and skip function for efficient review of recordings. Ideal use cases: meetings, lectures, or interviews where you need to capture clear, accurate audio. Personal note-taking or recording ideas on the go. Students and professionals who need to record and replay discussions or lectures. Additional notes. The ICD-PX470 is known for its user-friendly interface and simple setup, making it suitable for people who want to quickly start recording without complicated settings. It offers a decent balance of portability, sound quality, and storage for a wide range of audio recording tasks. For more information, visit the product detail page on website www.perfectemall.com. Thanks for watching.